Welcome to the wonderful world of fashion. Do you have what it takes to become the Fashion Designer of the Year? Before we start, you'll need to sign in as a new designer. Type your name into the box, then click the checkmark button to get going. If you've played before, select your name from the list, then click the checkmark button. Can I help you?
The name's Cookie McFarland.
The Cookie McFarland? Of McFarland Designs?
Oh, so you've heard of me. Good. Well, rumor has it you're quite the upcoming fashion designer. Can you tell me a little bit about your design studio?
Of course! Well, this is my studio. Over here is my design table. It's where I design all my collections. And on the model board, I decide which outfit each model should wear, as well as pick out shoes and hairstyles. My completed fashions hang on that rack over there. And I keep a record of all my shows in my portfolio.
Oh, very nice. Look, I'm in quite a jam. My designer dropped out last minute, so how would you like to help me with a fashion show? The theme is school spirit, and the show is right here in town. I need someone to start immediately, so the job's yours, if you're interested.
Wow, this is my big break. Yes, Miss McFarland, I would love to help you.
Great! I need 3 really awesome outfits that shout school spirit. I'll leave some fabrics on your design table for you to use. When you're done designing the clothes, you'll need to pick the models to wear them and set the stage for the show. And darling, please call me Cookie.
Okay, Cookie. And thanks.
Bye, Barbie. I'll be in touch by webcam. And if you have any questions, you can reach me through your computer. Ciao!
Bye, Cookie. I'll get started right away. Click on the computer to hear the assignment again. Design table. This is the design table. It's got everything we need to put together the coolest fashion collections. We can choose clothing patterns, amazing fabrics, and even add decals. First, select a clothing pattern from the style book, then fill in your design with fabrics and decorative decals. The numbers on the side of the table show us how many outfits we need to make for the show. The flip button lets us design the back of the clothing. The eraser lets us remove decals. And the trash can lets us start over on an outfit. To try an outfit on, click on the hanger button. These are some awesome fabrics. To use the fabrics, click on one you like, then click and drag the brush over the pattern. Decals. We can add fun details to our design by adding decals. They can be used as patches, trims, or even to create our own patterned fabrics. outfit is totally cool. What a cool outfit. It'll be Cookie's going to love this. This is a beautiful color. What a cool outfit. It'll be perfect for the show. Cookie's going to love this. All right, the model board. We can pick a model to wear each of our stylish outfits. Then we can choose fun shoes and hairstyles to match. The last step is to line up the models in order for their walk down the runway. Welcome to the accessory area. This is where we can pick a cool hairstyle and a chic pair of shoes to add the finishing touches to each outfit. Click on a hairstyle or a pair of shoes to try them on. Great color. That will look... Love those shoes. Cool. That hairstyle and outfit look great together. That hairstyle and outfit look great together. Great color. Don't you love all... Cool. Cool. Love those shoes. Love this look. Don't you love all these hairstyles? Accessories. All right, our outfits and models are all set to go. When you're ready to set the stage, click the stage button and we'll head over there. There's more to a fashion show than designing the clothes. Now we need to design the stage. We can choose the stage shape, backdrop, and runway colors, decorations, lighting, and music. We can even pick poses for each model to do on the runway. Just click on the tabs to see the choices. To choose the shape of your stage, click on one of the stage sets on the left. Click on one of the backdrop choices to see it on your stage. We can totally change the way the runway looks by choosing any of these runway colors. To add decorations to the stage, click one of the selections on the left. Look at all these cool lights! Click on one to choose it for your show. Gotta have tunes for the show. Click on one of the music selections to hear a sample of the music play. This is the Models tab. The pictures on the left show the models you chose in the order they will appear on the runway. Each model will need to rehearse her poses for the show. The dotted line on the stage shows where the models will walk, and each X marks the spot where they can perform a special move. Click on one of the models. Then, if you want to see the poses she can do, Click on any of the move buttons at the bottom of the screen. When you're ready to rehearse, click the Rehearse button and the model will begin walking. Click on one of the move buttons when you see the red X flashing to select a pose for her. Rehearse. Once the model has rehearsed her walk, a check mark will appear next to her. When the stage is set and the models are ready to go, click the Showtime button to start the show. There's no going back now. Showtime. Are you sure you're ready to start the show? You won't be able to go back and change it once the show begins.
Ladies and gentlemen, in her first official show, I'm excited to present the School Spirit Collection by Barbie.
would you like to do? Click Play Show Again to replay the show from the beginning. Or click Next Assignment to go to the Design Studio and get your next assignment. Look at these beautiful flowers. And there's a message from Cookie.
Great job on the show, Barbie. I've got another show if you're up for it. A pajama theme this time. I've left you some patterns and fabrics in your style book. They're the latest in sleepwear design. Feel free to mix and match these new fabrics with all the ones you already have. I need you to make 3 outfits for this collection.
This PJ theme is going to be so much fun. Let's get started.
Turn it up loud, radio, radio, out in the crowd, on my radio, say it out loud, the music is my friend, on my radio.
Let's check out all the new patterns, fabrics, and decals Cookie left us. We can mix and match any of them to create totally new looks. This will look great on the love this look. trying on our fashions. What a cool outfit. It'll be perfect for the show. This looks perfect. Don't you love all these hairstyles? Cool. Very nice. Great color. Cute shoes. Cool. Don't you love all these hairstyles? Nice. All right, our outfits and models are all set to go. When you're ready to set the stage, click the stage button and we'll head over there. Are you sure you're ready to start the show?
Presenting the Pajama Party collection by Barbie.
What would you like to do? Click Play Show again.
Hi, Barbie. Wonderful job on the Sleepwear show. Even better than the School Spirit collection. The audience just loved it. I've got another assignment for you. Ever been to Hawaii? They have fabulous tropical fabrics in beautiful bright colors, am I right? I've delivered my favorites to your studio so you can create a hot new vacation collection. Feel free to mix and match the patterns and fabrics with the ones you already have to make 3 truly original designs. Good luck.
Another assignment from Cookie. I can't wait to see these new fabrics. Let's start on our new collection. It's going to be totally cool. Cookie left us some cool fabrics and decals. outfit is totally cool. This outfit is totally cool. This looks perfect. Cool. Great color. That... Don't you love... Nice. Great color. Cool. Love this look. Love this look. Wait. Love this look. Nice. Accessories. All right, our outfits and models are all set to go. When you're ready to set... Are you sure you're ready?
Time for some fun in the sun. Vacation Wear by Barbie.
What would you like to do? Click Play Show again to replay the show from the beginning.
Barbie, darling! You've done a fantastic job on all 3 collections you've created. You've more than proven yourself, and I'd like to offer you a job at my New York City headquarters. It's one of the biggest fashion houses in the world. I've got a design studio specially picked out for you there.
Wow, what a great opportunity. I'd love to go. When do I start? Thank you, Cookie. You're the best.
Now, we'd better get started on the next show. The latest trend is retro. Well, you know, clothes from the 60s and 70s. The look has been showing up in all the clubs around town. I've sent you some fantastic vintage fabrics. I think they'll work great. This time, I need you to make 4 outfits for the collection.
Cookie always comes up with the best styles, so we should definitely check out these new fabrics and patterns. I'm totally psyched about designing this new collection. Let's get started.